This is the 50 kVA generator of the FG Wilson Perkins made. The issue was in this generator set engine, the water pump is leaked externally, and I removed the water pump from the engine and sent to the repairing shop to change the seal and check the shaft blade, if possible to repair. If not, we need to replace the new water pump for that. Okay, the water pump removable method is you need to remove the radiator also, and the fan pulley and the fan belt, and to access here is a bolt of the water pumps. Okay, because this bolt is coming behind the fan pulley. Okay, fan pulley is very long. Okay, and to access this all bolt, this is a 10 mm bolt, and make sure keep this all bolt in order, because some bolt is longer and some is smaller, and after the repairing I will be reinstall everything and start the generator. The water pump is replaced and repaired. Okay, and I installed back to the engine, and as you can see this hole, I'm trying to start the engine now and checked we are leaking or fixed. I install everything back, the radiator hoses, and add the coolant to top up and tight everything perfectly. So let's start up. The problem has been fixed, and thanks for watching. See you all next time. Goodbye. And one thing I missed, we replaced the seal of the water pump, and water pump has been successfully repaired.